Hi guys! Oh, I'm mega excited. My parcel from Jenny has arrived. Look at this. I'm going to make you seasick. Look at that. That is one massive box. So yeah, the box is over there. And I shall just pop you guys back in the camera holder. Plug you back in, and then my phone doesn't die. And we shall get opening it, because I haven't even opened it yet. So excuse the noise in the background for a minute or two, guys, because I don't even know where to start. But yeah, super duper X. I'm not even going to get in it with that. Let's get the big guns out. Scissors. Yeah, super duper excited about this. Right, where do I start? Where on earth do I start, Jenny? Where does it open? Wow, I can't even find where to start to open it. I'm guessing. Oh my gosh. How do I get in it? That is crazy. Well, I'm guessing there. Found it. Wow. On the top, but that was really well hidden. So. Oh wow. She tapes things up like I do. Oh, cool. Let's put that back. Oh, let's not, because I need to get in that side. Sorry, guys. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Right, I'm in. Oh my word, let's see. Oh, I like bubble wrap. Okay, so there we go. It's all Jenny's information. Cool. And you can find Jenny on Patreon, and I shall link to everything below. Then we have another one. There we go. Dear Minxie, thank you so much for such a great order, love, Jen. You're welcome. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So we've got a big massive box, and then everything's in another box. This video is going to have to be done in 2 parts because I want to show some of it off now. Right, I can show that. I want to show some of it off now, but then some of it has to wait because it's the new brand stuff. So, oh my gosh, I can't even get in this one. Open. Right, I can't show that. Well, I can show that one, but I'm not going to show that one. Pop that to that side. So that means I can share that one. I can share those. Oh wow. I can share that. I can share that. I can't share that. Oh my gosh, that is just too cute. And I can share those. Yay! there it is. So panicking then, I thought part of it were missing, but it's not. Right, I can't share that. Right, I can share that, but I can't share this one because that is rebrand. Okay, but I can share these, so let's get on with it. And I'll put them to one side for the next video because, oh my gosh, it's just awesome. I wish you could see what I can, well, you're going to see soon, but I wish you could see what I can see right now. Yes, so, oh, wow. I'm going to do this video and then I'm going to stop the video and then immediately put it back on for the next bit. Okay, I got Jenny to make me a stamp. This is a rubber stamp. The cling stamp style. Don't think you're going to be able to see it. Anyway, it says handmade with love from Victoria and then Minxie in brackets and then the XOXO, which I've had a few people ask what does the XOXO mean, and it means hugs and kisses. The O's are supposed to be hugs, the X's are supposed to be kisses, so basically kisses and hugs really. But yeah, I think you can see it there. And it's in the same font. That, apart from the handmade with love, that, the Victoria and then Minxie in brackets is how I sign all my stuff and like on social media as well, especially on YouTube. And as you've seen here at the end of the video, so like a bit of a trademark, if you will. But that's for me to stamp onto all my orders and in my journals and stuff like that. As is the other one, but I can't show you that right now because that is to do with the new brand. And then, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. This I can show you because it's not brand related. Well, actually, it kind of is brand related, but it's not the new brand. Oh my word, look how cool that is. This is the snood, which is a snood scarf. And it's showing up a lot darker on camera than what it is, but that is amazing. It turned out brilliant. Oh my gosh, Jenny, I love it. And the idea is that you just gather it up like that and you wear it as a scarf. You know, it doubles as a headband. If you've got thick hair like I have, it'll double as a bobble. And you could also pull it up to, because it's stretchy and tight fitting type thing. I'm not sure what it feels like lycra, but I'm not sure if it is, but it's that type of thing. But yeah, so if you've got it on, you can actually pull it up and wear it over your nose as a face covering as well. So you're killing light. I'm not even going to say that because that is a horrible saying, killing two birds with one stone. But yeah, basically it's a multifunctional thing, but that is awesome. I love it. And this is one of my butterfly kit backgrounds, the one with the diamonds on. I love it. I love how that turned out. It's so cool. Yep, awesome. So that is that. And then let's show these off because these are just, oh my gosh, too cool. Can't get over how big these turned out to be. We really wasn't, well, I wasn't, I don't know about Jenny, but I wasn't expecting them to be this big. But I bought some teddies for the grandchildren for Christmas with their names on, the little t-shirts. So, and because Ted was super duper soft and snuggly, and you're actually going to get to see the grandbabies' proper names now instead of what I call them. Because this is like grandbaby number 1, who I call Squishy. But yeah, so, and oh, Ted is so super squishy, so that was just perfect. So that is for grandbaby number 1. And then we have massive, oh my gosh, it's just humongous. Yeah, we have grandbaby number 2. Oh, that isn't. That's actually grandbaby number 3. Anyway, right, here we go. We have grandbaby number 2. Look at this. Look at the size of this. It's blooming huge. I can't even fit it all in on camera. She's massive. Look at the size difference. We knew they were going to be bigger, but I really did not believe they were going to be that much bigger. But yeah, so that's for grandbaby number 2. Then grandbaby number 3 has also got a bunny. And her t-shirt, how cool is that? It's rose gold, which is cool because of the rose part of her name. Rose gold sparkles. Grandbaby number 2's has got silver sparkle. Yeah, so that's those 3. So 1, 2 and 3. And then grandbaby number 4, who you all know as Coffee Bean Stroke Tater Pie, has a dinosaur. How cool is that? And we went with orange for his name to match his claws because he's just so cool. But oh my gosh, they are awesome. Absolutely awesome. And even he turned out to be a lot bigger than we expected. Yeah. So, oh my gosh, all I can say is, you know, a lot of the time when we buy things for the grandbabies, they leave them here. But all I can actually say is I'm glad they're taking these on because, like, these are going to be going to their own houses and they're all going to different houses. But honestly, I'm kind of glad they're taking them on because with the sizes that they are, I've no idea where we'd put them. But yeah, that is just so awesome. So awesome. They're huge, with exception to Squishy Ted. Squishy Ted will actually stay here in his special spot. But these 3 will be going home with the grandbabies. Squishy Ted stays here because we don't see grandbaby 1 very often. So, but the next time he does come, he will be able to take it on with him. But yeah, oh my gosh, it's just awesome. Oh my gosh. And I can't show you that one because that's part of the brand change. Anyway, so yeah. Oh my gosh, they're just adorable. I love them. So let's get the Teds out the way for the time being. We'll do a photo to pop onto the end of those later because I can't get them all in camera. It's just amazing. And I'm speed talking because I'm excited and I just kind of want to get through it. Then I can get on to the rest of them, but also 5 Man's due on soon. Oh wow. And these are I won't even say a shameless plug. These are a plug for Shell's CCC, my crafter in crime, as I often refer to her as. Yeah, Michelle over at Shell's Cards, Colouring and Crafts. I have a thing for mugs. I am cup mug. Crazy. Got Jenny's logo on the bottom, sticker on the bottom. These are Michelle's own designs. She's created each one of these characters herself, and then she did the design for Jenny to be able to put onto the cups and coasters and all sorts of stuff. Jenny's done like a business bundle type thing where there's coasters, there's cups, there's mouse mats, there's tins, oh my gosh, I can't even remember, key rings. There's that much I can't even remember, but you don't have to do it just business. You can have your own things on them. And yeah, so Michelle got these put on and I love them. Absolutely love them. Look, it's my favourite one. Isn't it cute? That's my favourite one, is that. I absolutely love it. Michelle made me one of them as a felty and I can't reach it because it's on the top shelf. But yeah, she made me one of those as a felty for my birthday last year. But isn't it cool? As soon as I had them, I had to have them. But yeah, so yay. There's a plug for my fabulous friend Shell and also one of my design team members. And speaking of design team members, I have now welcomed Jenny aboard as one of my design team member stroke brand reps because she's dealing a lot with the new brand stuff. So yay, excited. Right, anyway guys, I'm going to love you and leave you now. I will take some photos and I will pop them onto the end and then I'm going to go and do the next part of the video. Yay! Thanks for watching guys. Bye! Come back soon to watch the next bit.